Picture yourself walking through a forest. The sunlight plays peekaboo through the leaves. Hear the rustling of the branches from above? It's as if everything around you is responding to your presence. It's like nature is celebrating life. You may notice that you feel calmer than before, even a sense of peace. You no longer have a fear of missing out, but rather embrace the heartbeat of nature. This isn't just your imagination. Science tells us that trees release chemicals that can have a positive impact on human mood, stress, and even your immune system. Today, we'll explore the fascinating ways nature and trees soothe the human mind. Before we get started, take a moment to get everything you need for your relaxation, study, meditation, or sleep needs. So, exactly how do trees have this healing effect on us? To start off, it contains an organic compound known as phytoncides. Let's try saying that 5 times fast. Phytoncides, which are antimicrobial, allelochemic, volatile organic compounds that are derived from plants. These compounds help prevent trees from rotting or from being eaten. Phytoncides are antibacterial in nature. They kill and inhibit the growth and the development of bacteria and fungi. These compounds play a key role in plant immunity. When a plant is injured, they release these compounds. There are two types of phytoncides, but for the purpose of this video, we'll focus on the volatile phytoncides, which are found in various trees and shrubs. Some trees and shrubs include oaks, pine, cedar, eucalyptus, and cypress trees. These organic compounds help to relieve stress and uplift moods. Studies show that they have a positive impact on our immune systems as well. There is a traditional Japanese practice known as forest bathing that involves visiting a forest as part of a healing lifestyle regimen to promote relaxation and stress management. Just spending 15 minutes in nature is enough time to reap the benefits of phytoncides. Just breathing deeply in the forest, we're absorbing compounds. Just by taking a deep breath in the forest, we're absorbing compounds that help to decrease cortisol levels, improve stress, improve immune system, and promote mental clarity. Its healing properties are some of the reasons why phytoncides have been considered nature's essential oil. As beneficial as these compounds are, there is another compound that aids in our well being: terpenes. Terpenes are organic compounds that are responsible for the aroma of plants. Conifers such as the pine, spruce, juniper, and fir trees are the main producers of this compound. Even some insects produce terpenes. When you hear the word terpene, think of the aroma of pine needles and citrus fruits. The role of the compounds are to serve as mediators of ecological interactions, or simply said, defense mechanisms. They aid in disease resistance. These compounds not only protect trees and insects, but they also have a healing effect on humans. Terpenes have been reported to decrease anxiety, boost mood, relieve stress, and can be anti inflammatory. Many essential oils that are well known and widely used today are derived from terpenes and have been proven to have beneficial and healing effects. A popular version of this is aromatherapy. There are various forms of terpenes, one being pinene, which is naturally occurring and known for its pine-like scent. Studies show that pinene has anti-inflammatory, anti-anxiety properties and can actually provide a memory boost. It is one of the most abundant terpenes in nature. Limonene is another terpene. As the name sounds, this compound has a citrus scent. Just think of how the smell of a sweet orange wakes you up. Limonene is found in the rinds of citrus fruits, in as well as juniper and rosemary. These compounds help to keep pests at bay. It is the second most common terpene, second to the pinene terpene. Is an antioxidant, decreases inflammation, provides digestive relief, is antimicrobial and antifungal in nature. When it comes to the benefits of being in nature, all benefits are not derived from organic compounds alone. Some benefits come from the sound. Imagine yourself sitting in the middle of a wooded area. What's one of the first things you notice? Try closing your eyes. What do you hear? Is it the rustling of the leaves? Maybe some birds singing. Maybe, perhaps, there's a creek flowing nearby. Do you hear the water? One of my favorite things about fall is the sound that the leaves make as they fall onto already fallen leaves. It's the beauty in transition. Research indicates sounds of nature help improve our mood and cognitive function. It decreases stress, regulates our heart rate and blood pressure, and it helps to alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. Being in nature and hearing the sounds of nature allows our minds to replenish cognitive resources, helps to improve focus, attention, as well as improved memories. Being in nature and hearing the sounds of nature allows our minds cognitive resources to replenish, improving our focus and attention to detail. It also can help with creativity. The sounds of the forest bring comfort and relaxation. So, visualize yourself on your favorite trail, a walking path, or maybe it's a state park or national forest. Take a deep breath of the cool, crisp air. Feel the breeze on your face. Do you feel the sun on your skin? Is there a nearby creek? Is the water just trickling or is it a rushing water? Is it to your left or to your right? What wildlife do you see or hear scurrying or flying around? Are the trees swaying, rustling? Or are they moving gently with a soft breeze? Take a deep breath and take note of what plants, shrubs, or flowers you smell. Imagine the scent of pine needles and cedar filling your lungs and traveling through your body. Feel your nervous system calm down. Now, when you exhale, let go of any tension, anxiety, or negativity. Even if you cannot visit a forest or a nature trail or a park today, remember, you can still reap the benefits that nature has to offer. Take a moment to listen to the birds sing. Hear the wind between the tree branches. Feel the sun on your skin. Trees have been releasing calming and healing molecules for millennia. With every breath, we can share in this precious gift. Breathe mindfully, live mindfully, be gentle with yourself, but firm with your boundaries. See you soon.